Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics which is from the topic matrices. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of the website is also available in the description box of this video. So how you can get the question? See, you have to visit education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. In academics adda, you need to select math important questions. One more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay friends, coming back to the given problem. See, we have to compute the given expression and show our calculation of matrix operation. So if we see the given expression, what we need to do? First, we need to find the transpose of this matrix. Then we need to subtract another matrix which is obtained by scalar multiplication with this 2. Okay. And then one more matrix we will get after subtracting this one. Then we need to multiply two matrices. Okay. So step by step we will do. So in the first step, we need to find the transpose of this matrix. Okay. So transpose of matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. Okay. So transpose matrix will be this one 1 1 0 2 2 1 and minus 1 0 1. These are the elements. Okay. But obtained by interchanging rows with columns. Okay. Now, after this, we need to perform scalar multiplication of a matrix. So, if we see this matrix and here it is 2. So, we need to multiply by 2. Okay. We need to multiply all the elements of the given matrix by 2. So, multiplying by 2, we will get this. See, 2 into 2, 4. Then 2 into minus 1, this will be minus 2. 2 into 3, it will be 6 and so on. So now we have two matrices. So first we need to subtract this matrix from this matrix. Okay. So after subtracting this we will get. So how we subtract? So we subtract the corresponding elements of this matrix from the corresponding elements of this matrix. Okay. See, so we will get 1 minus 4, 1 minus of minus 2, then 0 minus 6. So 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 and 1. So we will get minus 3, 3 minus 6, 0, 0, 3 and minus 3, 0, minus 3. Now we have two matrices and we need to multiply this. To perform the multiplication, first we need to check whether this can be multiplied or not. Now if we see, so two matrices can be multiplied if the number of columns in the second matrix is equal, number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So we can see our first matrix is a 3 into 3 matrix and second matrix is 3 into 1 matrix. So these two can be multiplied and the resulting matrix will have 3 rows and 1 column. So how we can perform the multiplication? So what we do, we multiply the first row elements of the first matrix with first column of the second matrix. So multiplying this, say minus 3 into 1 by 3 plus the second element we will consider 3 into 1 by 3 minus 6 into minus 1 by 3. Similarly, we can obtain the second row elements and third row elements. Okay. So our resulting matrix will be minus 1 plus 1 plus 2. So second element will be 0 plus 0 minus 1 and third element will be minus 1 plus 0 plus 1. So our resulting matrix will be 2 minus 1 and 0. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics from the topic matrices. Okay, thank you.